Here's how you can start, save and review an activity on your TRAQ device. Let's begin with how to start an activity. From your TRAQ device's home screen, press the top right menu button to view the option Activity. Select this by pressing the bottom left Start button. Scroll between the activity options by using the crown. Use the Start button to select an activity. For now, let's go with running. Scroll between Indoor and Outdoor with the crown. Let's go with Outdoor for now. Select it by pressing the Start button. Select Free Run by pressing the Start button. Select Navigate if you already have preloaded routes to your TRAQ device via the app. Wait a bit till your TRAQ device finds the GPS signal. Press the Start button to start the activity. Now you're all set to train. Use the menu button to toggle between various stats displayed on your TRAQ device during the activity. Now let's move on to the next part, which is saving an activity once you're done. Press the Start button to pause the activity. Scroll down with the crown and select End option with the Start button. After successfully ending the activity, you will have the option of saving or discarding the data. Select Save with the Start button. You'll see a message pop up confirming that you've saved the activity. Now it's time for the final segment, how to go back and review an activity as well as your performance. From your device's home screen, press the menu button to view the option Activity. Select this by pressing the Start button. Select the activity you wish to review with the Start button. Scroll down to Review using the crown and select it with the Start button. Scroll between Indoor and Outdoor with the crown and select one with the Start button. Choose the data that applies to the activity you wish to review with the Start button. You will now be able to see the overall stats from that activity in two screens that you can toggle between using the menu button. To know more about what you can do with your TRAQ app and devices, check out our remaining tutorials.